Now, let us solve problem number 22 of exercise 7.3. So, the given question is integration of cos 5x plus cos 4x divided by 1 minus 2 cos 3x dx. So, first we have to recollect all trigonometric formulae. So, for numerator, I am going to use the formula cos A plus cos B, which is equals to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Sum and difference of cos formula this is. So cos C plus cos A plus cos B formula for the numerator, and again for denominator it is given 2 cos x formula. 1 minus 2 cos 3x is there. So we have the formula cos 2x formula. Okay, let me say right here cos 2x formula. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay. Now, let us substitute these formulae and see how the integrals change. Integration of cos A plus cos B form 2 cos A plus B by 2. That means 2 cos A plus B 5x plus 4x, which is 9x by 2, into cos A minus B by 2, cos of 5x minus 4x, which is x by 2, over 1 negative of 2 times of cos 3x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. That means the angle is, this is submultiple angle formula. So this angle is reduced by 2. So for cos 3x, we will write 2 cos square of 3x by 2. Right? Here 2x means it is 2x by 2 minus 1. So let us see how the integral is changing now. Integration of 2 cos 9x by 2. This is the angle 9x over 2 into cos x over 2. Whole thing divided by 1 negative of 2 2s are, I can write as 4 cos square 3x by 2. And this is negative into negative positive plus 2. Fine. So this one is 2 plus 1, 3. Oh, okay. Let us see how can we proceed this one. So let me write as it is 2 cos, numerator is 2 cos 9x over 2 into cos of x by 2. Whole thing divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 negative 4 cos square 3x by 2 dx. So let us recollect another trigonometry formula here, which is nothing but cos 3x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So we are going to use this formula here. Cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So how can we use? Because here we can see 4 cos square 3x by 2 is there. So if that thing is there means how can we bring it that form? Let me see. Okay. So we need cos cube x, but here the coefficient is there here 4 and again 3 is also there. So let me multiply and divide both numerator. It is let me multiply and divide the term cos 3x over 2. So suppose if I multiply, okay, let me write all these terms as it is 2 cos 9x by 2 into cos, okay, let me use the same color so that what I'm multiplying only I will change the color. It will be easy for you to understand. So the given term as it is, I am writing 2 cos 9x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by, let me take negative sign outside here. Okay, I'll keep negative sign outside. So this will be 4 cos power 2 3x by 2 minus 3. So I want to use this formula. So 4 cos cube I want, again 3 cos x I want. So let me multiply and divide cos 3x by 2. So numerator cos 3x by 2 and denominator again cos 3x by 2. So I'm multiplying and dividing this term. So I'm not changing the meaning of the given problem. If we multiply and divide, we are not changing. Just we are multiplying by 1, right? Yeah, fine. So now proceeding. Negative sign is there outside. Integral of, this is changing as 2. Let me take outside. So cos 9x by 2, cos x by 2, cos 3x by 2. Let me see how my denominator changes. So this cos 3x by 2, we have to multiply with both the terms. So my first term will change as 4 cos to the power of 3x by 2. Already cos square 3x by 2. Again, one more cos 3x by 2. So cos cube 3x by 2 minus this cos 3x by 2 has to be multiplied with this also. 3 cos 3x by 2 dx. So just to compare the formula, it is 4 cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So this can be written as, let me continue here. Negative 2 of integration of numerator, I will write as it is all the terms. Cos 9x over 2, cos x over 2, cos 3x over 2, whole thing divided by, now this is completely the formula of cos 3a. So that means cos of or cos 3x, 3 into the angle. So the angle here is 3x over 2. So now this is nothing but cos 9x by 2. So these two terms will get cancelled. So let us see what is the term left over here now. So negative 2 is there inside, or we can take it inside now. Negative sign is outside. 2 cos x by 2 cos 3x by 2 dx. So the complete denominator we were able to remove. So we remove the denominator. Now it is very simple to evaluate this integration. It is in the form of 2 cos a cos b. Let me write this formula also again. So many trigonometry formula we are using here. So trigonometry formula here, 2 cos a cos b is nothing but 2 cos a cos b is cos of a plus b plus cosine of a minus b. So once we were able to split the function, it is very easy to integrate. So let me use this formula now here. So negative is there outside. Integration cos 2 cos a cos b, we have seen cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. So cos a plus b, x by 2 plus 3x by 2, 4x by 2, which is cos 2x. Minus sign is outside. Let me put one bracket plus. So which is cos 2x cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos x by 2 minus 3x by 2, which is cos minus 2x by 2, which is cos of minus x. But cos of negative x is cos positive x only. It is cos x dx. Now we got almost the answer. Only the integration of, we need now here, integration of cos 2x plus integration of cos x dx. So which is a simple one. So I'm going to do integration directly now, which is equals to, negative sign is there here. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. And integration of cos x is outside, negative sign is there, remember. So integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So this is our final answer.